this question, you can see that in this question we are given with two terms. One of the term is a monomial. You can also see that the second term is also a monomial, right? Only two terms are there and both the terms are single. It means they both are the monomials. The operation in between them is provided as division. It means that we are given with a question where monomial is to be divided with a monomial. Okay, so for this what we need to know, we need to know the operation of division on polynomials. Okay, so this session is about the division of a monomial or by a monomial, or you can say that division or operation of division on polynomials. So hello everyone, welcome to Aakaar Maths Basics classes. This is recap series number 2. We are going through a series of sessions for the algebraic expression, the chapter in class 9th, or you can say it is also present in class 8. In 9th it is in the form of polynomials. The students from classes 6 to 9 are benefited out of it because we are going through the basics of the chapter. Okay, so stay tuned and keep watching so that you will be able to understand how to divide this polynomial, or you can say that how to divide a monomial by monomial. We have already gone through the other operations of algebraic expressions like addition of algebraic expression, subtraction, as well as the multiplication. Now in this session we'll try to understand the division. So let's get started with it. We are given with the question. Let me write the question again. It is like this: 35x square y cube divided by minus 5x cube y square. Okay, so what we are going to do, there are some steps which you have to follow, right? What steps you are going to do? You are going to follow that, bring them into the fraction form. The very first step is what? Bring them into fraction form. Okay, then what is your next step? The second step is what? You have to divide numerical coefficients first. Okay, so the second step is what? Divide the numerical coefficients first. Okay, so we'll do it side by side, okay, so that you will be able to understand. If it is written here 35x square y cube, we are going to bring it into the form of a fraction. So 35x square, you can see here 35x to the power 2 and y to the power cube is to be divided by minus 5x to the power cube and y square. Okay, now we have done this. Second step is what? Divide the numerical coefficient. So you have to divide this numerical coefficient. When once we'll divide, what we are getting, that we will write here. So let me write it here. Say we are having here, this will give you, and see the sign also. Okay, so we'll write here 7 and what else is there? X square y cube and then x cube y square with minus sign. Okay, we have simply solved the numerical coefficient. Okay, then in the third step, what we are going to do? We are going to divide the literal coefficients. It means now we have to solve the variable part. Okay, so we'll write here, divide the literal coefficients. That is the variable parts. When we are saying that we have to divide the literal coefficients, in that case, remember that the process of division, it involves the subtraction of the powers. Okay, process of division of variables involves the subtraction of the power. So here we are having x square, here we are having x cube. When we will divide, what will happen? That this power, you have to just cancel the power. You can see here, this is x square and this is x cube. So out of 3x, you can see 2 x's in the top are getting cancelled. Okay, it will cancel out with this and we are remaining with 1x below. क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर है, यहाँ x क्यूब है. We will simply subtract, or you can say that we will just cancel the powers. यहाँ पर 2 है, इसमें से यहाँ पर 3 है, तो 3 में से 2x क्या हो रहे हैं? कैंसिल हो जा रहे हैं. इसको हम कैसे और लिख सकते हैं? यहाँ इस केस में क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ वाई स्क्वायर है, यहाँ वाई क्यूब है, इसका मतलब वाई स्क्वायर, इट मीन्स 2 ऑफ द वाइज आर कैंसलिंग आउट विथ 2 ऑफ द वाइज इन दिस, यानी कि इसमें के 2 इसमें से निकलकर यहाँ से कैंसिल हो जा रहे हैं। अगर हम इसको ओपन करके लिखते हैं तो कैसे लिख सकते हैं, 7x इंटू एक्स इंटू वाई इंटू वाई इंटू वाई, और यहाँ नीचे क्या है, x इंटू एक्स and into y into y. So you can see if we cancel out like this, like this, like this, like this, you can see 2 of the x's are cancelling out, right? And here you can see y and y is cancelling out with y and y. So what is remaining? We are remaining with 7, y is there, 7y, and in the bottom we are remaining with only minus x. Understood? So what, rather than doing this, I'll just give you the another method how to solve it out by the use of, or by the law of exponent. By the rule of exponent, we can solve it out by subtraction method, which is going to be very easier for you. That I'll tell you later on. But remember how to do, what are the steps involved in this if we go through this way. Okay. And in the last one, what we are doing, we are simply multiplying. See, we have multiplied the rest of the result. Okay, so multiply the results. This is the last rule. Okay, so rather than doing this much, how to do this, we are going to understand that. Okay, we are not going to write all these steps and then we are not going to solve in this. Okay, how to in what way we are going to put in the notebook, that I am going to tell you, that you will be feeling easier. Okay, so let's try to understand with rule by using the rule of exponent. Okay, what the rule says, that I am telling you first. Exponent rule, or exponent, law of exponent, you can say. It is law of exponent. By law of exponent, what we can do, whenever the same variables are divided, if there is division in between same variables, if say you are having x to the power m divided by x to the power n, what you do, you can use the rule as x to the power m minus n. This is going to be your answer. ओके जब भी हमारे पास सेम वेरिएबल्स होते हैं, सेम बेसिस होते हैं, तो हम उनके पावर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. ओके, दिस इज द रूल, दिस इज द लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट विच इज गोइंग टू बी यूज्ड हियर, विच आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू. In more easier way, you will come to know how to solve division of monomial by a monomial. So we can use this one and we can solve it. So it is going to give you what, 35x square y cube, when it is written divided by 5x cube y square. Simply you are going to divide the numbers, numerical coefficients first. So if you cancel it out, it is giving you what, 5 how many times? It will give you 7 times. What else is there? X to the power 2, right? You can write x to the power 2. Here, see the variable. This one is having this power as 2. This one is having as power of 3. So you will get 2 minus 3. Okay, why? Because of this symbol. Because in between these two terms, you are having a symbol of division. Okay, then further, y to the power cube. Here you can see this is y cube, this is y square. So 3 minus 2. What it is going to give you? What it is giving you? It is giving you 7. This is giving you 5 here. Okay, now it is giving you what? 7 x to the power. You can see here 2 minus 3 is going to give you minus 1. And y to the power 3 minus 2 will give you how much? 1. अब इसको हम और कैसे लिख सकते हैं? It can be written in the form of, I think one sign is missing here. We have taken, it was like minus sign was there. Okay, in this one minus sign was there, so I'll put it here like this. Okay, so we will have here minus sign, because minus into here it is plus, so minus into plus, minus sign. Okay, so we are having minus 7x to the power minus 1 and y to the power 1. But as you know, we don't have any, in standard form, we don't put the power in negative. So what will be the answer here? It will be minus 7y upon x. So this is going to be your result. This is your answer and this is how you should present. Understood? दिस इज़ हाउ वी डिवाइड द मोनोमियल बाय मोनोमियल. अगर आपको ये वाला भी टिपिकल लग रहा है तो आप एक और तरीके से इसी को हम थोड़ा सा इजी बना सकते हैं. कैसे कि इसको अगर लिखना है 35x² y³ डिवाइडेड बाई -5x³ y². तो ऐसे केसेस में हम सिर्फ न्यूमेरिकल्स को हम डिवीजन के रूप में दिखाएंगे एंड रेस्ट वी विल नॉट शो इन द फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म. हम फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में दिखाएंगे ही नहीं. हम क्या कर सकते हैं, सिंपली हम क्या करेंगे कि 35 अपॉन एंड -5 इज देयर, लेट इट बी इन डिवीजन फॉर्म. और जो बाकी का वेरिएबल पार्ट है विल शो इट इन वन सिंगल ब्रैकेट x² डिवाइडेड बाई x³ y². इसके बाद से हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. It will give you minus. See, minus will go up, okay, because in standard form we need to show the minus, we need to bring the minus sign up. So it will become 7 minus 7. Now, and in this what I have told you that if x to the power m is there and divided by x to the power n is there, if the variables are same, तो उस केस में हमें क्या करना होता है, x to the power m minus n करना होता है. So you can see here it is x to the power square divided by x to the power cube. So we will write x2 minus 3. Okay, then what, again into, you can see here y का भी पावर में 3 है और minus 2, all because of the same this law. Okay, now what we can do, -7, this will give you x to the power how much, 2 minus 3 is -1, again y to the power is 1. This further can be to change this -1 sign. What we will do, we will bring it down और हमारे पास आ जाएगा y 7y minus 7y upon x. This is going to be your answer. See, again we are getting the same thing. Understood how to do it? Understood? The same thing, you can see, you can match it from here. Okay, this is how we have to do monomial division of monomial by monomial. We'll have some more examples in our coming session, and then we will try to understand or try to learn how to divide a polynomial by a binomial. Okay, or you can say polynomial by a polynomial, but you have to do a lot of practice of this, and that we will do in the next video. Okay, I'm going to come with 2-3 questions of monomial divided by monomial, so that this concept will be more clear to you, in which we are going to use this law. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye.